Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Ruby. I'm Rubia and today is the day 9 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. And today's topic is the books I read. Yes, a lot of you have been asking me which books I read. So today I will tell you that which book I read. But before starting the video, I want to tell the benefits of reading book. We all know, right? There are a lot of benefits of reading books. If you read book, it helps you understand the meaning. It helps you enhance your vocabulary. It helps you expand your vocabulary. If you read book, you can learn sentence structure from the book. Yeah. And for English learner, for English speaker, it is a good habit to read books. And the books must be in English, right? So yeah, I also read some books and actually I don't get a lot of time because I also have to do my college studies and the other works. So I don't get a lot of time, but the free time I get, I try to read books at that time. Now let me show you which books I read. Okay, I have 3 books, but I don't get time to read all those books. Currently I'm reading a book which is written by Ruskin Bond. Yes. Okay, so let me show you the book. You can see this is the book, and actually this book has 70 short stories. Yes, and I purchased this book maybe around 2 months before. Yes, and actually in this book there is one short story which has in my syllabus, in my college syllabus. So I just wanted to if I did not purchase this book, then I was able to read it from the PDF. But I wanted to purchase this book because I know that if I purchase the book, I will have an opportunity to read the other stories too. So there are 70 short stories, and the stories are awesome, mind-blowing. Yes, the stories are too short, and you can read one story at a time. So I try to read one story at a time, and the stories are short, written in easy language, and you can understand the meanings. Yeah, and there might be a few words which you will not be able to understand, but there is an opportunity. You can understand the meanings from online, from Google and anywhere else, right? Okay, so that was the first book. Now let me show you. This is the second book, which is The Wings of Fire. Actually, it is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I purchased this book around 2-3 months before. Yes, actually, when I was in my class 12th, that time we had a text called Strong Roots, and the text was extracted from this book. And that time I came to know that the full, the real book, and I came to know the name Wings of Fire. So I decided that one day I will definitely read the book. This is why I purchased this book, and this book is also good. But if you are a beginner student, this book is not will not be easy for you, because in this book there are few words which I also don't understand. So this is why if you are a beginner, I think you should not read this book right now. Just make yourself just try to understand the meanings of the basic English book, then go to you can move on to these books. So this is also a great book. I haven't read the I haven't read the whole book yet. I just read 20 to 25 pages so far. And yeah, and if I talk about this storybook, so I have read 7-8 stories so far. Okay, so yeah, these are the two books, and now I have another book, which is this one. This one is Attitude is Everything. Okay, this book is also good. Actually, I bought this book when I was totally beginner, and like the words were seemed a bit difficult for me, so I stopped reading this book, and I have read 10 to 15 pages, I cannot recall actually. So now I don't read this book anymore, but I promise myself that I will definitely complete the book. So yeah, these are the three books which I read. Okay, but if you are a beginner, I will not suggest you these books. Yeah, you can read the short stories from this book, Ruskin Bond's book. Okay, the short stories are easy to read for beginners, and yeah, and if you are totally beginner, if you have just started your English speaking journey, so there is one book which is Panchatantra. Yeah, this Panchatantra, this book is really easy, anyone can understand it. Like these books are for actually for children, so you can also read these books. There's no shame of reading children's book. Okay, so you can go to read, I mean, you can read that book, and if you wish, you can definitely read these books too. These books are also good, and yeah, it's obviously, I mean, it's like you have to spend money, right, to buy these books. So if you want the PDF of this book, of the 70 short stories, I can give you in the description box. Okay, I have the PDF, as I prefer reading books more than PDF. This is why I purchased this book. Otherwise, I have the whole PDF of 70 short stories. So I don't know how to put the PDF in the description box, but I will definitely try. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today's video. A lot of you have been asking me about which book I read, so this is why I thought that let's make a video on this topic. So this is why today I made a video on this topic. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And have you read any of these books, any of these three books? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on day 10. Till then, bye.